Alright guys, welcome back. Carrying on from where we left off, we've just finished priming and painting the underneath of the body. It's now time to make a start on the outside of the body, the front, the back and the sides. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to get a 4-foot paper. I'm just going to roll it down all the sides and just get a 2-inch tape and back edge off this lip all the way around. And then stick the paper half on, half off, drape it down. Do that all the way around the trailer to skirt the trailer. And then that's sealed off, and then we'll move on to the next piece. Now, just while I'm skirting around the outside of this trailer with the 4-foot paper, I just want to say that the majority of you that watch my videos aren't actually subscribed to the channel. Now, if you like watching me do what I do and you'd like to see more of this content, I recommend clicking on that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the content in future, as we have some really exciting projects coming up soon. Alright, so the trailer's all skirted all the way around, both sides of the back end. I'm now just going to crack on with the front end, get all this masked out, chuck a bit of paper around the ram, mask off these bars for the sheeting system, and then just around the rams and stuff around the top. Get this last bit finished and then it's all ready to start painting then. Alright guys, so the trailer's all fully masked up now, all the front end's finished. I'm just going to flick the fans on the booth, and I'm going to start down in this corner. I'm going to work my way all the way down with the air line and a blower in. I'm just going to blow all the loose dust this way so it gets sucked into the filters. And then we'll crack on with the tack rags and get it all cleaned down, ready to go and paint first thing in the morning. So she's all blown down now, the front and the sides finished off. What we're going to do now is we're just going to go over it twice with the tack cloth. If you don't know what a tack cloth is, it's just a sticky cloth. And you just wipe it on your surface, what you're going to paint. Go over it twice, and make sure you don't miss any spots. And that's just going to pull all the loose dust then that's left on the panels off. So when you paint it, you're just going to end up with a lovely smooth finish. Right, so the trailer's all fully masked up now, cleaned down, ready to paint. We're going to go ahead and start putting the primer on. We're going to be using the 350 filler primer from Sikkens, dark grey, and this is just going to be the 23 stick, 5:1:2 mixing ratio. So we'll go ahead and get this primer mixed up, get it on the job. So that's the front and this side all finished now. It's looking absolutely beautiful. Next thing we're going to do is we're just going to get 4-foot paper and we're just going to mask it from top to bottom, from this side of the front corner all the way down to the rear. We'll get it papered out, and then first thing in the morning we'll crack on and get the other side and the rear end painted. paper, all nice and sealed. I've just lined it down this edge here where the two pieces of metal meet each other, just so we've got a nice solid edge to go from. The last thing to do now before we can get it all blown down and tack ragged off, before we paint it, is just go around with the red scotch and just scotch up just where the paint's landed on the panels next to where we've lined it off to. So we'll get all this prep back up with the Scotch-Brite, and then we'll get it blown down and tack ragged off, and then we'll start mixing the paint. So that's this side, and the back end fully painted up now. It's now the morning after. It's now time to get these badgers painted in the Ward green and then go round and get the whole job demasked. So that's what we're going to do this morning. So just so you can see me painting the badgers here with the Ward green, I thought I'd do something a bit different at the end of this video. What you're going to see is the trailer before I started work on it, and then after you're going to see a video of me walking around it with no stickers on, just the pure finish. And then after that, the final videos will be with the Ward stickers on, looking absolutely wonderful. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.